Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in more such video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Minimalist salicylic acid. Now again, salicylic acid is for your acne, to just reduce the dark spots on your face, like the red spots that we get because of acne. So but I'm thinking about not using it till I am done with other products, because if you use too many products you will not know which one is working, which one is not working. So I think I will use it next month. And if you want a review on Minimalist, because I know it is a really hot brand, it is really trending, because they are duping Ordinary. That brand is so famous in US, and if this performs like Ordinary, it will be amazing. It will be really amazing, because this is an Indian brand and I would love to support them if they are making good products. So yeah, I got 5% discount or something, but it is okay because it's Minimalist. You will never get huge deals on products that are hot in the market. Stuff which is selling SAE, they will give discounts. Okay, so these are free product that I got from Nykaa when I purchased this. And fun fact, they sent all of their product, and they sent free products separately in another box. I don't know why. And that parcel came really late. So I got this Kaya Youth Oxygen Infused Brightening Face Mask. This is the smoothing face mask. So this contain aloe vera and dermaclare something. I don't know what is dermaclare. I know aloe vera. And this one contains oxygen infusion something. So all in all, this one is for brightening, this one is for smoothing. Now I have never purchased face masks because they are so expensive. This one treatment will cost you like 50 rupees. Wait a minute, 125 rupees for just one use. It is expensive. Rather invest in a Minimalist serum instead of buying these. And it's good, I will get to try this. This one is also 115 rupees, 125 rupees, but for a single use product that is costly. Instead buy a ordinary serum. What's the use of applying this one? And no skincare will show any result in one time use, right? Otherwise I will use them and update you in some of my future video, but I think they are gimmicks. What will happen in one use? So yeah, I will definitely update you on that. So I got this pouch also free with that sample. So it's a really good makeup pouch. It is small, but I think you can hold keep 4 or 5 products in this. It is good if you are traveling for one day and you want to keep a minimal amount of makeup. So yeah, it's a cute pouch and the quality is also decent. It is not that cheap looking in person. So yeah, this is the pouch that I got free. Okay, so this one is also a free perk from Smitten. So this is the Plum Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So this is a night gel. It is a sample. So it's good they are sending free samples like this. So this is a really small component and it contains 15 ml of product. So it is a good way of trying it because it has green tea. So again, good for acne. So I will try to use this. It is a night cream, so night gel. I will try to use it and update you how this works. So if it will work, maybe in some future I will purchase this, but not right now because I have already so much skincare now. Okay, so this is the last skincare and I got it with a eyeshadow palette. This is an old purchase, but I forgot to show you, so I'm going to show all these in a bit. So this is a aloe vera cream. This is again a sample I got with this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. These I have purchased a long time ago, but I forgot to show you. So yeah, this is Lilium Herbals. Okay, I have never heard about this brand. So I was thinking I got it free with Kiss Beauty, right? So I was expecting to be Kiss Beauty product, but this is some different brand. And this is the aloe vera cream, not aloe vera gel. So yeah, it is, this has creamy consistency. It is not aloe vera gel. I've never used aloe vera cream. I have used aloe vera gel. So yeah, we'll see that. Okay, so the next is again a free product. This is the Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. This is also a free product from that Smitten. Smitten you have this sample point perks something. You can buy a product. So this was for 5 point, and this originally retails for, let me just check, 695. So I got this for free by using 5 points. So I think this is a great way to test this. I have a Chariot cream blush and I love that. It is so creamy, so good. If you have dry skin, you have to just build it up because it's creamy, right? So you have to build this up. But that blush is really hydrating, good for dry skin. If you have dry skin like me, go check that Chariot blush, and that blush is for 200 rupees only. So yeah, now talking about this is the shade Soft Nude, and let me just swatch it. So this is the shade. This is a brownie nude. I think this has peachy undertones. So it's a brown nude blush. Smells really good. So I was assuming, since it is a herbal product, this will not last, but surprisingly you can use it till 3 years. Now I'm doubting it is really herbal. How can herbal products has that much shelf life? I don't know. Is it even possible? Like without any preservative chemicals, how this will last for 3 years? I don't know. So I always doubt these herbal makeup, especially herbal makeup. Chalo, skincare to chalta hai. Herbal makeup, what is herbal makeup? I don't know. So I will definitely use this in some of my videos. And Nakshi really likes this, so I will also enjoy it. I know that's for sure. So so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to create another part where I will show you this makeup purchases which I've done a long back ago, but I forgot to show you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.